This is how to transfer money on the Nedbank app in South Africa. Make sure you watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. If your app layout looks slightly different after an update, the steps are still the same. Just follow along and look for the same options. Start by opening the Nedbank app and signing in. From the home screen, tap Transact. You will see 3 options. Tap Transfer. Next, enter the amount you want to send. Then select the account you are sending from. After that, select the account you are sending to. You will now be asked what the transfer is for. This step is optional. Next, choose the date if you want to schedule the transfer or continue with the current date. Once you are ready, tap Next to review your details. If everything looks correct, tap Transfer or Confirm to finish. You will then see a confirmation message once the transfer is successful. And that is it. That is how you transfer money using the Nedbank app in South Africa. If this helped you, remember to like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides.